in high school, I took a C++ class, and I remember being like, this is exactly how I think. This is amazing. It was very logical, and I just felt like it was something I really appreciated and really understood. Myself and a friend, we were like, wouldn't it be great if there was a place where you could go and learn how to code and feel comfortable learning with peers, ask any questions. In 2010, we started Girl Develop It. It's in over 50 cities and has taught over 100,000 women how to code. It's really neat to have women reaching out to me and tell me that they are now full-time coders because of Girl Develop It. I think it's really important to send the elevator down. It's an analogy of when you've made it to a level that you can send the elevator down to bring some other people up. So I like to think as much as possible of different ways of helping people, especially people that may feel alone or like they're different from the normal, become programmers. It's super rewarding for me. In 2014, we started Jewelbots to create STEM products that skew feminine. The Jewelbots bracelet is open source hardware. It's a friendship bracelet that lights up when your friends are nearby. You can write code for it using the Arduino IDE. We've started working on science kits called Jewelbots that come with a science lesson and fun crafts that kids can put together. The idea of free software and open source software is really awesome. When you are working in open source software and you can use open source libraries, you can learn things that others have already learned, so you can build on top of others' learning. But Stack Overflow, I've helped to set the strategy for our public Q&A site. I've wanted this job for 10 years. One thing that is really important is we keep up with an evolving developer community. I believe it's the highest traffic site built on .NET. It's huge. We support billions of monthly page views and millions of simultaneous people on our website, and it's built in C#. So I'm introduced back to the world of C# and SQL Server, and now it's to support millions of developers around the world. We're starting to port a lot of parts of Stack Overflow over to .NET Core 3.0. It allows us to introduce better infrastructures and testability to our applications. One of the reasons my coworkers are so excited about .NET Core is because they get to use their Macs. One thing I've observed about things like .NET Core and Visual Studio Code is that no matter what technology you're building for or the platform you're trying to support, those Microsoft tools are open for you. I'm so bullish on Visual Studio Code. It's really become essential for a lot of developers, and it's a great development environment. I can have my IDE settings, and I don't have to switch IDEs when I'm working on different platforms. So I'm a board member at the .NET Foundation. We help support .NET open source projects by giving them resources like legal help and accounting and contributors. We also support thousands of meetups around the world that get together to discuss and learn from each other about .NET technologies. Really excited to be part of an organization who is there to support people and get them the resources they need to build amazing and robust open source contributions. Over the past few years, I've seen amazing open source products develop with a foundation of encouragement and learning, and less of a culture of, oh, I found this thing you did wrong, and I'm going to tell you what you did wrong. Being a developer is a really neat superpower. Being able to build technology and affect the future of technology has been a really amazing experience and privilege. I'm really proud of having built things that people are using and just contributing to the ecosystem in general. That was a cat sneeze.